If you didn't put it there, then it wouldn't have mattered. But since you put it there, you were looking at everything. You were identifying something and then figure out why, what, when, how, and why you put it there. Because that way, next time you might go, all right, the stop probably shouldn't have been this tight, but for sure, right, when it hit this key critical level, that's where I should have been. Because maybe it touches like up here and then it pulls back. Then you can identify, why did I have a stop at, whatever level I did it at, right? That will help you to learn. But if you keep second guessing yourself and you keep moving your stops all over the place, I'm telling you from experience, you will get burned every day until you learn where to put your stop, right? Because maybe in the beginning it's a learning curve. Maybe you're putting your stop in the wrong place and then it goes to a spot and then it goes where you want. Well, then evaluate. That's a great learning opportunity to go, why was my stop there? Should that have been the right spot? Was that a good call? Why was it or why wasn't it? That's when we go back to our journal, happy face or frown face, right?
Literally.
Yes, stop should have been here. Instead, I had it here, or whatever it is. And then you got to determine why and write it down. I did not look at a key support and or resistance level. I had my stop too tight instead of using this or that. And then it did, the opposite. Something quick, easy, fast, little picture to help yourself. Yesterday, let me show you some of these moves, okay? Now, yesterday I had identified some of these key areas. Now you can see this, by the way, is what my screen looks like when I'm in here trading. Do you see how much I have, how much I'm recalculating? Right. And then I come in here in the morning and I just delete them all. And you guys are like, oh my gosh. That's because as I'm trading, I am creating all these levels. Do you see all these? Because what I do with these is, right? Let's say I get into a trade here. I can watch. I start identifying channels. I can see what it's going to do. Because think about it. Let's say, let's use this one as an example. Whoops. If I could draw, that'd be great. We'll use this as an example. So this is the channel I've identified, right? Let's say I got into a put here. Okay. Let's say I got into a put here because I'm like, oh, it pulled back here. Now I wouldn't do that. Why? We don't buy a put at support, do we? Do we buy a put at support?
Nope.
No, sir.
Hell no. But let's say I was an idiot, right? My brain lapsed, right? So I bought it right here. Well, this will give me the strength to ride into some of this, right? Until I go, hey, goofball, you shouldn't be in here. Get the hell out, right? Maybe I finally come to my senses. But if I don't come to my senses, at least I have this key critical level to go, listen, if this breaks above here and holds, I need to get the hell out because I bought down here anticipating a pull, but I already know right here is the key critical level, and this means get out. Now, if I was like, oh, but I'll just move my stop and move my stop and move my stop and move my stop, and then I'll move it and then I'll move it. Damn it, it's so high, I'm going to get out. Total loss. And then it comes back. Damn it, I shouldn't have got out. I knew I should. Stop all that. That's trash trading, right? And I'm looking at you. About 27 people right now are like, shit. Here's the thing, too. Everybody in here, you should know you have to place a stop at the time of purchase, right? So there's no such thing as I didn't get a stop in. Everybody knows that here, right?
Yes, sir.
We don't
Yes,
buy
sir.
anything without the stop built in ever, right?